All right, in some previous videos, I have been working on a piece of software. Now, this is a Windows dashboard software. Again, if you're watching this video and your software dashboard does not have the same name or anything, don't worry. The process is the exact same. You know, it's like making a turkey sandwich versus making a chicken sandwich. All you're doing is changing out the meat, but the process is exactly the same. That's probably a dumb analogy, but I don't know. It's just something I just thought of, right? It's the same thing. So don't, don't freak out. Don't think you bought the wrong thing. It just depends on what, I have hundreds of these dashboards out there. So rather than me making 100 videos, I'm making one to make it easier for all of us. Okay, so this would be after I've already branded my software, which I already have a video on how to brand your software. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is use a piece of software called WinRare. WinRare. Do a search in Google for WinRare. All right, you can use this. You could download it, get a free version. It may be a limited time. I really, honestly don't even know, but just this is what I use. It makes these little stackable book icon right here, and that's what I use. So using that software, once you've downloaded it, again, I downloaded a version a long time ago that was a freeware version. It's the one I've been using forever. So you find one that's free and use that one. Okay, otherwise it's like 20 bucks. Now, what I'm doing is I'm gonna combine. I don't want to send this right here to my customers. If I send this to my customers, they're gonna click on this file. They're gonna click on this file. They're gonna email me and say it doesn't work. Okay, so I just need them to click on the application file. So I need to put them all in one. So I'm gonna highlight all the files. I'm gonna right click. Okay, and you can see if I have WinRare installed, you're going to see these little icons here. See those little WinRare icons? So I'm going to click the Add to Archive. All right. Now, once I do that, it's going to give me, I'm going to have to follow a few options. Now, there may be a PDF around here somewhere that shows you these steps as well, but I'm just going to show you in this video how to do it. First thing we're going to do is create an SFX archive. Okay? We're going to click on that. We're going to click Advanced. Now we're going to click SFX Options. Click on that. All right, now we're going to click on Setup. And the setup right here where it says Run After Extraction, you're going to put in G AdWords or whatever the title is of this application file. Okay, in this case, it's G AdWords. That's it. We're gonna tell this WinRare thing to run that software after it's extracted. Okay, we're gonna go to Modes. We're gonna click on Unpack Temporary Folder. We're gonna click on Hide All. All right. The Advanced tab, there's nothing there that we need. The Module tab, there's nothing there. License, we have nothing. But Text and Icon is where we want to be. We're going to go all the way to the bottom. We're looking for a SFX icon. We're going to hit Browse. Now, this is the icon that is included in this package. You'll notice that this icon has the same exact name as our application file. This is what we want our software to look like after we zip it all up, and that's why we're doing this. We're going to click this icon, click Open, all right? And that's it. We've followed every step necessary. We're going to click OK, and we're going to click OK. Now, just like that, it went through the process, and it created this new application file. Now you can see that this name here is the same name as the folder that it's been created in. Okay? So we can go ahead and change that afterwards. I'm just going to remove this file here just so you can see what it looks like. Okay? So you can see now I have this file folder here. I don't need that anymore. I now have this particular file. If I double click this icon, it will start to run my application file. Now I didn't brand it or anything, so I may have some issues with it starting up, but let's see. There we go. I didn't brand it, I didn't use any registration, so it loaded right up. But this is now the file that I'm going to send my customers. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the name. You can go ahead and change the name. I can go ahead and make a new folder. Okay, I could put this icon in here. And what I like to do is I like to add a little note with all of my software pieces. Okay, I'm going to put a read me first. And what I put in here is I just write them a simple note. Thanks for downloading our Google AdWords software. Now, the rest of it depends on what you're going to do. If you're going to make them apply for a registration code, you're going to want to give them some instructions. The first thing you need to do is get your registration code. You will be, okay, go on and on and on, and you save it and you just put it in there. All right, I could go on and on. I usually write something in depth. I tell them about my services. I put my contact information. I'll put my phone number. I'll put everything about my business in this read me first file. Okay? You don't want any customers to be left puzzled. The next thing I want to do is simply zip this up. There it is. Now I could grab this file and upload it to my server, to my cPanel, to my WordPress install. Go search that video that shows you 4 different ways to upload your file to a server. And now you could use this file here, add it to your server, and grab a link for your software. Now you can give away that software wherever you want. You can give it away on a squeeze page. You can give it away on a download button. If you're using my software that builds template pages, it may ask you for a software link. You can go ahead and leave it there. And I've shown this lead page builder in a previous video. One of the questions here is enter the software download link. This is where I would enter my software download link. Okay, so if I've uploaded this to my server, I'd go ahead and grab that link just like I grabbed all of these different links here from Dropbox or from Amazon, where these are all PDFs, but I would use the same process, upload my software, okay, and then here in this software, online software where it's building my lead page, I would just drop that link there, and then it automatically connects the software download link to the button that's going to be on this page that it builds. Okay, so it's a pretty simple process. I hope this video was helpful. This is a video that helps you wrap your software dashboard into one file and then create a link, you know, just a zip file. And then in the other video, you can see how to use the same process. Remember, chicken sandwich, turkey sandwich, same process, just a different outcome, PDF versus software. Okay? Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Take care.